Kubernetes is the most in-demand DevOps skill of 2026, and it's also one of the most misunderstood. Let's fix that. Kubernetes. It's on virtually every senior DevOps and cloud job description globally. It's abbreviated as K8s, because there are 8 letters between the K and the S, and it's one of the most powerful tools in modern software infrastructure. But for beginners, it can seem impossibly complex. Today I'm cutting through the complexity and explaining Kubernetes from the ground up, no prior experience needed. To understand Kubernetes, you first need to understand containers. Containers, powered by Docker, package applications with everything they need to run: code, libraries, settings. They're portable and consistent across environments. But here's the problem. When you're running hundreds or thousands of containers across multiple servers, how do you manage them all? How do you ensure they're running, restart them when they fail, scale them up under load, and distribute traffic between them? That's exactly what Kubernetes does. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration platform. Originally built by Google, based on their internal system called Borg, it's now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Kubernetes automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Think of it as the operating system for your container infrastructure. A pod is the smallest deployable unit, usually one container. A node is a physical or virtual machine that runs pods. A cluster is a group of nodes managed together. A deployment tells Kubernetes how many replicas of a pod to run and handles rolling updates. A service exposes your application and load balances traffic across pods. A namespace organizes resources within a cluster, often used to separate environments like dev, staging, and production. You describe the desired state of your application in a YAML file. I want 5 replicas of this container, exposed on port 8080, with at least 2 GB of memory each. You apply that file to Kubernetes. Kubernetes reads your desired state, figures out the current state, and does whatever it takes to close the gap. If a pod crashes, Kubernetes restarts it automatically. If traffic spikes, you update the replica count and Kubernetes scales instantly. Kubernetes skills command serious salary premiums across every major global job market. The Certified Kubernetes Administrator, CKA, and Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, COD, are 2 of the most respected certifications in cloud-native technology worldwide. Employers treat K8's expertise as a senior-level differentiator regardless of geography. Start with Docker. You need to understand containers before you orchestrate them. Install Minikube or Kind on your local machine to run a single-node Kubernetes cluster for practice. Work through the official Kubernetes documentation. Then study for the CKA certification. Uplatz has comprehensive Kubernetes and DevOps courses from Docker fundamentals through to Kubernetes in production. Kubernetes is not optional for DevOps and cloud engineers in 2025, it's expected. Visit uplatz.com to explore our Kubernetes and container training courses. Subscribe for more practical DevOps and cloud content every week.